Now, let's go to the career opportunities. So, right after graduation, a BS accountancy student has the option to take the board exam and become a CPA or a certified public accountant. Pero kahit naman hindi ka agad maging CPA or habang naghihintay ka to take the board exam, there are already a lot of career options available. Pwede kang maging accounting staff, bookkeeper, audit associate, tax associate, tax analyst, financial analyst, government accountant. Really, ang dami mo talagang pwedeng kunin or pwedeng maging trabaho kapag ka graduate ka ng accountancy. Pwede kang mag-work sa mga auditing or accounting firms, banks, private companies, government agencies, or kahit na mga multinational or international accounting companies. So, hindi lang siya one path and marami kang directions na pwedeng tahakin kapag ka-graduate ka ng BSA. So, when it comes to salary range, guys, this is based on my research. Fresh graduates can earn from 20,000 up to 35,000 per month. So, CPA fresh graduates can earn higher than that. And then kapag mga mid-level ka na, you can earn 50 to 100,000. And then for senior or managerial roles, you can earn 100,000 or more than that in a month. So, kung naman international companies, you can go higher than that. Now, let's go to sino ba yung mga bagay sa accountancy. So, this course is bagay sa'yo kung ikaw ay detail-oriented, disciplined ka and patient, comfortable with numbers, you are willing to read a lot of books and materials, you are okay with pressure and deadlines, and kung analytical thinker ka. Hindi siya easy course, but it is one of the most stable and respected business degrees in the Philippines. So that is BS Accountancy explained in simple terms. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments what course you want me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you follow me for more episodes of College Courses Explained.